Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful and classy because in my this video collection I am sharing with you very beautiful, latest, trendy, decent and upcoming fashion design ideas of face masks. Yes friends, all of these designs are to be tried in 2021. All of these are designer masks, very beautifully designed. You can make them with the help of hand embroidery stitches as well as with machine embroidery, and even the ones with some bigger flowers and leaves you can also make applique as well. And even you can use these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery for making fabric painted masks, hand painting. So friends, as you know that COVID-19 is a very dangerous and pandemic situation. It has affected the whole human community worldwide massively, and with every rising day number of people are being affected by this. So to take care of our health, it should be our first priority. Friends, I will be discussing all of these designs one by one in detail, but before going into the depth of these designs, I have a very simple request to you that if you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are new to my channel, or you are watching my content for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And friends, while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Yes friends, on my channel you can see a wide variety of large range of design ideas related to women fashion designing, dress designing, footwear, large variety of jewelry designs, original gemstones, their horoscopic point of view, nail art designs, baby dress designing, footwear, hand art like silk ribbon embroidery, hand embroidery, mirror work, gutta work, applique work, hand knitting art, crochet designing, and much more. So stay tuned, and friends, keep watching my content as you always have been. Keep supporting us as you always have been. And please, if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button. And if you really want to give us some suggestion or you have some queries, then comment below the video. We will surely answer your questions and comments. And please massively share our videos with your friends and family so that we could grow into a remarkable and a significant YouTube family members. So stay tuned, stay blessed, and thank you so much for watching my content. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves, spread positivity, and be a cause of positive motivation for your friends and family.